Located in Toronto's Leslieville neighborhood, House Caroline stands as a contemporary A-frame addition to a historic 1850s Victorian home. This transformation turned a once partitioned, dim residence into an open, warm, and brilliantly illuminated sanctuary for a growing family. The architectural journey began with the client's vision to reshape their home, focusing on adding a new third-floor executive retreat. Inspired by a majestic maple tree in the backyard, the architects celebrated nature in their design. The challenge was to preserve the Victorian charm amidst spatial constraints and limited natural light, a task met with innovation and thoughtful design. To overcome spatial constraints, custom millwork takes center stage on the ground floor. The dining room features a graceful banquette nestled within the existing ornate bay window, ensuring a seamless flow from the front entry while maintaining a functional dining space for eight. At the intersection of the kitchen and living room, white oak cabinets blend seamlessly with the media unit, providing ample floor-to-ceiling storage and curated display niches. The entertainment unit serves dual purposes as both a functional storage bench and an inviting space for guest seating or a cozy retreat by the wood-burning fire. The incorporation of a double-winder stair with stacked guardrails showcases architectural finesse, freeing precious space within the home's constrained width and shallow depth. This design allowed for a luxurious marble kitchen island and functional programming across all three levels. Rain's architectural approach skillfully addresses lighting constraints in the north-facing semi-detached context by strategically utilizing southern light from above and warm western light from the rear facade. An expansive floor-to-ceiling window assembly on the ground level blurs the boundaries between interior and exterior, creating a strong connection to the old maple tree and ensuring continuous exposure to natural light. Ascending through the home reveals a journey of light, with an open stair design channeling celestial light from a strategically positioned skylight. Crafted in harmony with the A-frame timber roof, the skylight faces south, capturing optimal sunlight throughout the day. Exposed Douglas fir roof beams intersect the skylight over the stairwell, adding timeless presence and a profound connection to nature. House Caroline is a home that accommodates the practicalities of family life while establishing an inherent connection with the natural environment through deliberate material choices, panoramic vistas, and strategically designed private outdoor spaces embracing the resident maple tree. What began as a vision for an evolved home has become a blend of history, modernism, warmth, openness, and a timeless bond with nature.